Hello friends, my name is Riaz Khan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start with Hadoop. In my previous videos, I explained you about the services of Hadoop, how we store the data into our cluster, how we process it, what are the services are responsible for the same, and basic ideas of cluster, how cluster works. So this thing I have already covered. Now from this video I will start our practice session. Okay, so we'll open this VMware Cloudera. Yep, this. So I hope that you people already installed VMware Cloudera and Putty in your system, and if you have not installed yet, please check my second video of this tutorial in which I have already explained installation part and how to configure it. Okay, so we'll start this. Play virtual machine. We'll click on this. Now it will take some time to open. Okay, so it is opening. In this session I will cover some basic commands of our local file system, that is LFS. Most of you know, I think most of you know about uh, basic commands, like how we list out the directories and files, and how to create directory, how to remove directory, how to create a file, how to check the content of existing file. So this command I will cover in this video. It's a very basic part. So the first step is to open the Cloudera quick start VMware machine, and then we will open Putty. It always takes time because at the back end it starts all the services that I already explained you of what are the services of Hadoop. So this is now yeah, it is opening. Okay, so now we have Cloudera. Now we'll open Putty. So this is our Putty. As I already told you, the login name of Putty is Cloudera, and password also same, Cloudera. Okay, now we are inside our local file system, you can see. Okay, we can minimize this. Okay, so this is our username, Cloudera. Now for clear the screen you can press Ctrl plus L. It will clear your screen. Okay, now very basic command of our LFS is ls. Ls command will give you all the content, all the files and directories of that particular path. Now you can check these many files and directories are existing in our path. Now if you want to know like which all our directories and which all our files, we can give command like ls-ltr, enter. See, you have the same files but with some additional information. This is the permission. Okay, permission, read, write, execute is a username and owner name, and this is the date of creation of this file or directory. You can see some files are starting from dash, hyphen, and some files starting from D. So all the files starting from D are the directories. Okay, so this lib, documents, desktop, templates, videos, these all are directories, and the file starting from a hyphen, all are the files. Either it is a normal csv file, .txt file, log files. You can check, this is the log file. Okay, so these are the two commands. Now if we want to know in which path we are working, we can give pwd, that is present working directory. Now you can check, we are inside home, then Cloudera. This is our path. I'll show you this path in here also in Cloudera. I'll minimize this. You can see here Cloudera's home. Okay, home, then Cloudera. If I open this folder, now you can see these many folders, directories with some files. Now you can check here, Cloudera manager, right? SCL HDFS. Now you can search here, it should be the SCL HDFS, this SCL-HDFS. Okay, so this is the, you can say, user interface view, and this is your command line view. Now if I want to create a directory in our home path, so we can create by giving command mkdir. Mkdir means make directory, space our directory name. I'm giving Jan 2018, enter. Now our directory is created. If you want to check, we can give ls. Now you can search your directory here, Jan 2018, Jan 18. Okay, here also you can see Jan 18, see. Okay, if you go inside this directory, nothing is there. Okay, now if I want to go inside this directory, how I can, I can access? Here we can directly just click on, double click, and we can enter. But in our line command, we can give, first you can see the present working directory, pwd, in a home Cloudera. Now if I go inside the directory Jan 18, I can give cd Jan 18. See, you can see Jan 18. Now if I again run this command pwd, now I am inside home Cloudera and 80. And if I try to get the content of this directory ls, it is empty, nothing is there. Likewise, you can see here, nothing is there. Now if I'm going to create any file here, so what is the command for creating a file? You can just give cat this symbol and I'm going to give name something like file1 dot txt. Okay, now from here what I'm going to write, it will write in our file1 dot txt. For example, I'm writing here, hi there, my name is Khan. Okay, I am or whatever you want to write. Like I am working in XSX software limited. Okay, now to come out from this file, we can enter control plus C. Okay, now our file already created. If I am going to do ls here, see, we have one file, file1.txt. Now if I want to get the content of this file, what I write here, cat file1.txt. For creating a file, we are giving cat and this symbol, but for getting the content, we can directly give cat file. Enter. Now you can check. Oh, sorry, I think I have given control C in this line. No. If you want to give come if we want to come outside any working file, we have to enter and then we can give the control C. I'll show you here. I'll create one new file, cat file2 dot txt. Sorry, this file2 dot txt. My name is Khan. I am working X software limited. I live in India. Now if I press Ctrl C here, then the system will take only these two lines. So what I need to do, I have to press enter, then Ctrl C. Now if I want to access the content of file 2, cat file2.txt. now you can check here, we entered 3 lines, it is showing 3 lines here. Okay, so this is how we create a file. Now if I want to add one more line in this file, so what is the method? Cat 2 times of this symbol, file2.txt. now whatever I'm going to write, it will append in our existing file, file2.txt. like I'm going to write here, my salary is X. Okay, I'm not going to tell you my salary. Okay, so now enter, Control C. Now again, if I want to get the information of file 2, I will copy this. You can just select like this for copy and you press the right button of your mouse, it will paste. Okay, enter. Now you can check. Earlier we had only 3 lines, in this file 2.txt. Now after appending this line, we have total 4 lines. Okay, so I'll write all the commands that I already used in this session here. Okay, ls okay, ls -ltr more details. Then I used dir directory cat command, creating a file cat with this cat with double symbol, of file, only cat get the content of file. Okay, and pwd to get the present working directory. Okay, now into that. Now we are inside Jan 18. Now if I want to come out from the Jan 18 directory, what we can do, cd dot. Now present working directory pwd, we are here. Okay, so this is the how we create. Now if I want to remove some directory, okay, like I'm going to create one more directory, dir test1. okay, now you can check test1, this directory already created. Now if I want to delete this directory, how I can delete, rmdir, that is remove directory test1. now you can check test word is already deleted. Okay, this is how we delete the directory. Now I'm going inside the Jan 18, that is cd Jan. Now we have two files, file1.txt, file2.txt. I want to remove this file. Just now we have seen how to remove the directory. Now how we remove the file? Same way, rm, only rm. For deleting directory we can give rmdir, but for removing file we have to give rm file name. Enter. It will ask remove regular file. Yes. Now you can check ls, only one file is there. Okay, so this is how we create and remove the directory. Okay, so these are the some very basic commands. I will tell you time to time whenever I use some new commands. Okay, all these are the LFS command. Okay, I'll show one more thing, like I'll open one duplicate session. We can open many session of this Cloudera putty. Cloudera. Cloudera. Now, while we install this Cloudera Quick Start VMware in our system, we got some different ecosystems. In future, I will tell you all the ecosystems like Hive, HBase, Pig is already installed with the Cloudera VMware Quick Start. As of now, I'll show you we have one more database that comes with the installation of Cloudera, that is MySQL. So how we can use MySQL? There is a command mysql -u root -p, enter. It will ask a password and the password is same Cloudera. Now we are inside the database MySQL. Okay, why we are using MySQL, that I will explain in our coming videos. As of now, just you noted down that we have MySQL. This is the command how we enter the MySQL. MySQL -u root -p, then password. I'm writing here. Oops, sorry. MySQL. Okay, so this is the command. And the password is Cloudera. Okay, so after entering this, we will get MySQL like this. Now I think you know this command of database MySQL. I'll show some command like show databases. With this command, show databases, it will list all the database residing in the database of MySQL. Information schema, CM, demo, firehouse, view. Okay, this is the command to get that all the databases. Now if, like for example, I want to use database ScoopDB, so how I can use? Right now we are inside the default database. Okay, default one. Now if I want to use any particular database, ScoopDB, I'll write use ScoopDB, enter. Now you can see database changed. Okay, so this is the MySQL. This I will take a separate session to to give you some information about the MySQL, how we create database, how we create tables and all. This is also very helpful thing. So, and these are the commands, very basic commands that I already told you. These are the commands of LFS. So this is all about the basic commands of LFS. In my coming videos, I'll show the HDFS, what is HDFS, and the basic commands of HDFS, how we create directories in HDFS, and how we create files, how we remove. It's like very similar LFS and HDFS commands, but some additional command also there in HDFS. Okay, so now just explore yourself and just go through my previous videos, and also check out this video and practice. In case of any installation issue, if you are facing any issue, you just or any query you want to ask, just give your question in comment section, and please subscribe and click on bell icon, so that in future if I upload any new video, you will get a notification. Okay, so practice friends. Till then, bye bye.